The second is that from January 2013, all the video presentations whichever we are posting will not be available for free for all the clients. So only for the clients of Alasco CTS, the daily presentations will be available. So we request the viewers and YouTube subscribers and the subscribers from the social media networking sites and our followers to open a trading account with us, so that you have a month of time, so that we can plan about how we can proceed further. So these are the two major announcements. So let's see. Now let's go back and see what we can do in copper market today. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor, you can see the date and time below. Now we can see this red color candlestick that indicates the yesterday's price opening, which shows which is more or less near or equal to the previous day's price closing, which was around 4,444. We expected the market to continue and remain in its uptrend till 400 and you can know that 436. We expected the market to continue its buying, and we didn't reverse our view. We know that every day we are getting opening higher than that. Now let us see what happened after that. After the price opening, you can see that the price consolidated here for a long time, and then it went up and just broke this 446, which is a intermediate resistance for us, and we were expecting this target from the last week. Hope we got this this week, and the price tried to stay above this and closed just near 446.3. so this is the zone where the price closed. On looking at the entire price actions, you can see right from the price opening on Monday, we can say that the price is taking a very strong support around 442. Today the expected price opening is going to be more or less around 446. There is no change. We are predicting this price opening based upon the COMEX price direction. It may be subjected to changes how the rupee is opening. So today what we can do, there is no change in our view. Still we are going to follow the same strategy till 436. We know it is at 10 point stop loss. Just what we are trying to do is that we want to observe what is happening around 442. Since we have identified this as a very good potential support zone, we want to know what is happening around 442. So when the price tests this 442 and we want to see the price action, how far it is supporting, then we will decide whether to shift from the stop loss from 436 to 442 or leave it as such. As of now, there is no change in the strategy. Copper is still looking good for buying, and the expected maximum target is 452. This is the zone where we are expecting the market to reach. 452 is the maximum target which we are expecting. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. Have a close watch around 442. So this is going to be a major zone for the future. So let us see what's going to happen. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.